Hi, this is the Ulfon Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to turn the Customize AD option on this device. So let's open first the Movies Edge application. In AD section, you could switch your temp just by selecting one from them and tap the apply button. Here we got the background section. We could add the backgrounds to our temp just by swipe to the up or to the down, tap to apply. We could switch here music control settings to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. In notifications and calendar section, we could show the date and notifications with a click of the switcher, and to show battery status always while device charging or never. Let's go back to the X icon, switch AD to the settings and tap to always on display. We could here activate or turn off the AD option with a click on the switcher. We could show it on lock screen always while charging on music. We could use these two options separately or together. Here we got the brightness level. We could decrease or increase the brightness level. We could switch here AD timeout from 5 seconds to an hour, also like the low power after timeout. We could switch the screen orientation from auto to portrait, landscape and the reverse landscape. We could close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and also to activate or turn off the burn-in protection and the pocket mode. And also, if you want, you could disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AD option on our Ulfon Armor X7. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.